Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hello friends, welcome back to my organization. This is MK. Today I'm going to unboxing Xiaomi Note 3 My Band. This is a replica box from a local shop, gift box. You can buy it from any local shop to $3 to $4 or 400 to 500 rupees or less than that. So let's get started the video. Hope you enjoy the video. So as you can see, it's a well wrapped box. So I'll just cut down the tape and unbox it. So let's do it. As you can see, it's well wrapped. So just cut it out, and so this is our band, smart band. So this is our band. As you can see, intelligence health bracelet. Take your day and night. Okay, track your day and night. What is this? This is a tape. Okay, we just remove it so we can see this better. Okay, V3 device, my life, comfortable and extra energetic reason. Okay, just remove it. So here's something. Here's some custom style. As you can see, the three colors: blue, black, and something salt. More colors. You can send it to Messenger, Facebook, Twitter. It has photo control, alarm, health control, and blood pressure, and many other things. In the box, it has speedometer. Okay, that's very nice. Heart rate monitor. Okay, and blood pressure. Okay, alarm clock. Okay, let's open this box carefully. As you can see, the box has, oh my god, these are USB charger. Out of the box it has USB charger and nothing else. So I just user manual. It's all about Chinese. Here English. This is a manual to get how to install the apps and other things, function and other things. I don't need it. Now this is the M3 base smart band user. This is a smart charger. And this is the band. It has no wrapping. Okay, and this is the band of silicone case. It's normal case. Okay, it's very soft, as like soft and tiny. And this is our band. I think this is a sensor here and charging port. And this is the button, I think. I just press it. I think it needs charge. So 1 second. I just 1 second we'll charge it and then we'll review this thing. Okay, let's get started this thing. As you can see, I just set this charger here, put in here. Okay, it's very easy. Now the USB into a normal charger, and like this And if I put this thing in, you can see if I connect to charge, oh, it's vibrating. Yes, it's charging. It's free. So friend, that's it. I will review more things in my next video. Hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe the channel if you don't, and also click the like button. Thanks for watching this.
Have you ever felt
Are you listening?